Hello, my name is Christopher Lee. I'm the executive chef at Huntington Social in Huntington, New York. I'm going to show you how to make ants on a log by using apples and not celery. We're going to be using Granny Smith apples. Basically, we're going to cut them. We want to make little wedges. And this is great on a summer day, spring day to serve as a canapé, passe hors d'oeuvre, on those lines. And even as an after school snack for your kids. Because my kids love these things. So after we slice them into little wedges, you want to make them so you can actually have a little flat surface on top. Because that's what we're going to put. It's going to rest the peanut butter. And basically the peanut butter is the glue to our ants that we're going to stick on right after. And the ants are going to be raisins. And classically they use black raisins or red raisins, but we're going to be using golden today. And there we go. And you're just going to put them right across. It's better to have the peanut butter at room temperature. It's easier to spread. So we just put it in a little piping bag and let it sit out for about an hour, and it comes to perfect piping temperature. And there we go. We have our apples with our ants on the log. Classically done with celery, and we use in Granny Smith apples. It's a great time of year, the fall, when apples are in season. And then we're going to add a little sliced chives. The chives add a little savory to it. It's a great little addition. So there we go. Another way to make ants on a log is by using apples.